I have to go to the bank. I have to go to the bank. I parked my car in the parking garage. I parked my car in the parking garage. Can you help me fix this? Can you help me fix this? What time do you want to come? What time do you want to come? I am going to the meeting tomorrow morning. I am going to the meeting tomorrow morning. I am going to the gym this evening. I am going to the gym this evening. I need to turn on my computer. I need to turn on my computer. Did you buy the movie ticket? Did you buy the movie ticket? Should I go to the store or not? Should I go to the store or not? I have to take the bags with me. I have to take the bags with me. Tomorrow afternoon, I am going to a meeting. Tomorrow afternoon, I am going to a meeting. Can you help me find this? Can you help me find this? I need to get up now. I need to get up now. I haven't checked my emails yet. I haven't checked my emails yet. I have to stay home today. I have to stay home today. Can you please write down my phone number for me? Can you please write down my phone number for me? I want to do online shopping. I want to do online shopping. What do you think I should buy? What do you think I should buy? I am going to the doctor tomorrow. I am going to the doctor tomorrow. I need to talk to my boss. I need to talk to my boss. When are you going on a trip? When are you going on a trip? Can you please give me the key? Can you please give me the key? I need to call my family today. I need to call my family today. Are you off today? Are you off today? I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. Can you please help me? Can you please help me? I need to go shopping this afternoon. I need to go shopping this afternoon. Can you help me do this? Can you help me do this? I need to rest. I need to rest. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? I need to book an appointment. I need to book an appointment. I am at work right now. I am at work right now. This week I need to take care of the housework. This week I need to take care of the housework. Can you please bring me the book? Can you please bring me the book? I need to pack my things. I need to pack my things. Is this dress appropriate? Is this dress appropriate? I want to go out tonight. I want to go out tonight. I need to make a phone call. I need to make a phone call. Can you please open the door? Can you please open the door? Is tomorrow a public holiday? Is tomorrow a public holiday? I need to take this letter to the post office. I need to take this letter to the post office. I need to take care of something today. I need to take care of something today. I am going to do sports this afternoon. I am going to do sports this afternoon. Do I still need to check my emails? Do I still need to check my emails? I have to go to the supermarket today. I have to go to the supermarket today. Can you tell me where this is? Can you tell me where this is? Tell me what time we need to be there. Tell me what time we need to be there.
Wir da sein müssen. Wir da sein müssen.
I have to go to the gym. I have to go to the gym. What did you do today? What did you do today? Can you please bring me a coffee? Can you please bring me a coffee? I have to raise the flag. I have to raise the flag. I want to watch a movie tonight. I want to watch a movie tonight. I have to go to the pharmacy. I have to go to the pharmacy. Can I buy a train ticket? Can I buy a train ticket? I have to go to the office. I have to go to the office. I am going shopping after breakfast. I am going shopping after breakfast. I need to wash my car. I need to wash my car. I have to go to the doctor again. I have to go to the doctor again. Did you buy the movie ticket? Did you buy the movie ticket? What would you like to eat for dinner? What would you like to eat for dinner? I need to check my flight. I need to check my flight. Are you ready for the meeting? Are you ready for the meeting?